Hello everyone. In the today's video session, we will try to understand the meaning of capital structure. A firm mobilizes funds which, depending upon their maturity period, can be classified as long-term sources and short-term sources. Long-term sources consist of capital, reserves, and term loans raised from public and financial institutions, while the short-term sources is made up of current liabilities and provisions. Financing decisions involve raising funds for the firms. It is concerned with the formulation and designing of capital structure or leverage. While investment decisions are related to the asset side of the balance sheet, financing decisions are related to the liabilities and equity side. Capital structure ordinarily implies the proportion of debt and equity in the total capital of a company. Since a company taps any one or more of the different available sources of funds to meet its financial requirement, the total capital of a company may thus be composed of all such tapped sources. The term structure has been associated with the term capital. The term capital may be defined as the long-term funds of the firm. Capital is the aggregation of the items appearing on the left hand side of the balance sheet minus current liabilities. In other words, capital may also be expressed as total asset minus current liabilities. Further, capital of a company may broadly be categorized into equity and debt. Equity consists of the following atoms. Very first atom is equity share capital. Second, preference share capital. Third, share premium. Free reserves. Surplus profit. Discretionary provisions for contingencies. And development rebate reserve. Whereas debt consists all borrowings from government, semi-government, statutory financial corporations and other agencies. It also includes term loans from banks and financial institutions. Debenture is also a part of debt. All deferred payment liabilities are considered as a debt atom. Now we will try to understand the meaning of financial structure. In the entire left hand side of the company's balance sheet, which includes current liabilities, while capital structure refers to sources of long-term funds. The term total capital structure denotes mix of owner's fund and outsider's fund, or it is a proportionate relationship of a firm's permanent long-term financing represented by equity and debt. Ordinarily, increase in debt in the capital structure, that is improvement of debt equity ratio, implies greater amount of interest payment than before. So the company must have to be sure enough of getting steady return so as to bear the additional burden of interest. Likewise, profitability depends inter alia on cost of capital. Actually, a negative correlation should always exist between cost of capital and profitability. So, increase in cost of capital means decrease in profitability. Since acceptance of more and more debt means payment of greater amount of interest. The company must have to think twice about its effect on profitability. If due to acceptance of debt, profitability decreases, that is a negative correlation results. Such a debt acceptance will not be advantageous to the company. On the other hand, if any change in the capital structure by way of increasing the proportion of debt can have favorable effect on profitability, then such a change, that is increase in debt, may be considered beneficial to the company. Thank you so much for watching this video.